Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing and pinning the picture-in-picture extension so it's ready when you need it. Once installed, click the toolbar pin and confirm permissions. This lets the extension grab video frames from the active tab. Make sure your Chrome is up to date because modern APIs improve performance. If a site asks for optional site access, allow it only for trusted domains. This reduces permission prompts and ensures consistent PyP activation. Now you open a video and prepare to pop it out. If playback is necessary, start or pause briefly. Some players only expose frames while playing. Click the PyP toolbar icon or right-click the video and choose Enter Picture-in-Picture. Either method signals the extension to create the floating window. Once the window appears, drag to reposition and grab the corner to resize. This keeps the video visible as you work in other tabs, which is the whole point of PyP. To finish, use the floating controls to pause, play, mute, or click the Back to Tab icon to restore the video. This returns everything to the original tab without losing progress. If PyP won't start, reload the page and retry. Conflicts from other video extensions are common, so disable them temporarily. Also, make sure the site's autoplay or DRM settings aren't blocking PyP. If they are, adjust site permissions or use an alternative source. That single troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.